Yes, people, I don't know media facts and I come for talk facts, you see me? Yeah, man, not on the trash. So, people, wanna see what going on the media with Spice? You see, she called out Mavado and the Red Bull sound clash in the UK and thing, you see me? Yeah, she said Mavado sell out and thing, which we know a clash that and words can be said and thing and every little thing, but she come out with her next video, you see me, I talk about busy signal. One take a look on the video.
Me hear one dub played from Busy Signal. I mean, I know if I AI because of so many modern things that's happening right now in society where somebody can get a splice dub or them can get AI to do a dub. Me now go come and rub and send up now bad because I don't have facts or proof if it's really a busy dub. But me hear them have a Busy Signal voice where I do a dub and I disrespect Spice Army. I'm just upset it's not a real dub because at the end of the day, why would you want to do that? Why? Just why? Me know I'm busy as broke. So why would you want to take $500 or $1,000 and tear down your genre, your culture where you are built? It just don't make no sense to me. And a lot of people might say, oh, a business or, you know, them have to do it for me not understand it. Like, for example, somebody couldn't get me, like, somebody couldn't pay me enough to go up against dancehall or Jamaica or whatever it is. Like if there's a cultural clash happening and my team are going to represent for Jamaica and dancehall, there's no money in this world where them could have paid me if it come go up against Jamaica or when I say it makes sense. You understand? And even if as somebody when me not talk to, because at the end of the day, you represent for me genre, when me build, when me go, where feed me.
Fresh drop.
Me don't know. Maybe meeting because I'm sensitive, you know. And me know say that's one of my thing. I'm very emotional. I'm very sensitive. I'm very emotional.
Yeah, when I realize, I just watch a video, they see it, and I don't know want to take on it and thing, but Spice, I gotta say, she now will take no money if you go against her country or culture or whatever. See, but Spice forgot what she do with the alphabet people them when she go Canada go do the show for them. You understand? She say, yeah, people are gonna say a business, but at the same thing you do. You, if you ever say somebody gonna sell out or whatever, you do the same thing too. You understand? Cause you go perform for them. You see it. So sometimes when not talk, you have to remember said if you live in a glass house, don't throw on a stone. You understand? Cause I think say you win or this is a clash, right? It don't matter, artists are gonna do them thing, I gotta do them dub and every little thing. You see me? You coming out now, I think say a celebration, you celebrate the win what you do. You are gonna say, you're not gonna take no money for bring down your no culture. Come on, Spice man. Don't be selfish. You understand? Yeah, you're the queen and thing. And you're thing the name Spice Army, so I don't really know what you're talking about. Because yeah, you say Mavado sell out and every little thing. Which Mavado just come pan African team and do him thing and which they maybe have a Jamaican background or whatever. Are still Jamaica. Mavado is still Jamaica, dance and everything representing. You see me, I don't understand what you mean by sell out. Because you have Skilly Bang, you have Skeng them, Shaggy, whatsoever, you understand? I just say because you never really get everybody. You even have a Shensia. You see me, but we don't say a Shensia good and thing, but people don't know what I'm gonna take on this because what she thought now makes sense. You understand? And I don't know, it's like Spice always come with some extra, some drama, some different something when you're not supposed to have focus on her career and yeah, the show go on, everybody going back to norm. She have to come out with some. Like, come on man. You got to talk about busy signal and all of them things there, you know. But it even make no sense. You understand? Cause busy signal I do him, I do him. Collect him money, him dub them and everything. A business. You understand? It no matter. Cause remember, you know, you African over here, so your name, your team is Spice Army. It not even say Jamaica. You understand? So if him do a dub or whatsoever, I don't really sell out that. You understand? You can't blame a man for that. You understand? Because we could have said you sell out Jamaica to our sell out dancehall culture. Because you go perform for the alphabet man them. You understand? So when you talk, don't be really selfish, just look on what you do too. You say, yo, no, nobody can give no type of money for you go against your culture, but you did it. You understand? You do it. So many time, I don't know, it's like sometimes I wonder, I don't know, Spice feelings or whatever, I don't really know, like, you know, that's why I say over the years, like, when it comes to sound clash and them, look at things like, a mostly man dominated thing because imagine this she not fair feelings, you know. Everybody win, some people will lose, just gone back, do back with them normally do you understand? She know she there, she not really, it's like her win is not a win. The other thing say she lose. You understand if she did lose, you know. But she win and it's like the problem same way. I'm not know how you know you go come and attack busy signal for you doing business. Which when you do the show for the alphabet people, them not like nobody run with for bunny out or whatsoever. You understand? You see once your business. So how when it comes to dub clash now, you are gonna say people sell out and all that thing. I don't understand. You see? But as one, I don't know, it's like when we start Jamaican, we're supposed to live as one, but it's like, yeah, I represent the busy signal, a dance all same way, Mavado a dance all same way. You understand? You a dance all same way. So it no matter where them they, I still dance all them. You understand? I still dance all the time over Africa. Africa love dance all too. Them influenced by dance all too. You understand? So you walk come out and say that, nah, man, sense, it nah add up. You understand? It nah add up. You know you're shocked to see some artists do a little thing and you feel like say yo them should have depend on your team. You understand? But you have a whole package of team, that's why you win. You understand? You get a good team for the clash, so that's why you win. But celebrate the win, man, and just make bygones, make everybody move on, man. You now just stuck in our feelings where it even make no sense. Because a man do business with dubbing, but you say yo him sell out and nobody can make you use money and sell out your own culture. Come on, man. Come on. It don't make no sense you say that. Don't say that because you know better. You understand? You're a good artist. You don't know you're the queen of dancehall. We can't take that from you. You rep, you do your thing, you dominate dancehall. You understand? But coming out like this, man, you should have happy, man. You understand? You win the clash, you should have happy. You shouldn't come out. I said this and that and you understand? It don't make no sense. You see, it don't make no sense. So I don't know. Like, why some of the time I see why the dancehall is based when it comes to female artists. It's like I don't know, them no unite. Like when you see a lot of caliber going with the Jamaican dancehall and male them, you don't really see caliber going in the female era when it comes to collab. Them separated. You understand? Them separated. Me not really see no much collab and right now in the dancehall, you don't really have the female that will really dominate still. You see me? You don't really have that. So I just one of them thing the people. You see me? And the situation, you know, look good at all. You see me? Spicy just focus on our winning and all of them little things. You see me? Rather than forwarding on the media and say something that even make no sense. You understand? Because you know much people don't want to win that right now and step and celebrate and all of them little things there. Things say you are just happy. Because look at that video.
Me don't tell him already for stage, you can never sell out the culture. You never sell out the culture, you can't do that for £5. You're crazy. From the price of a 2 queen.
This is after she win, you know. She win the clash. You know people don't celebrate and no business about nobody. Look what she have to say people. Yeah, when you just see the video a while ago, you see she say yo, she say yo, when I take one little £5 for she say yo people I take more little money for go against them culture. I say come on Spice man, how much Jamaican artists you have on your side? But give you strength, you have Shaggy, you have what's your name? Nancy, you have Skilly, you have King. You see me? What amount of artists you have? I don't know what happened. Yeah, say sell out and all of them make something. You see me? It don't make no sense. Should I give thanks? Yeah. Spice Army slash Jamaica. Yeah, we win man. So give thanks man. But you come out and it's like you try bring down your own culture like you understand? I don't understand. You win. You celebrate man. You don't come like say you lose. You understand? And that me I see it. I may say yo, Jano. Some of the time it even make no sense, you know. You see it. But sometimes one of us kinda just motivate people man like you understand? Celebrate man. Appreciate. You get a lot of artists and you see me? You never expect say and not some other Jamaican artists would have depend some other team and you see me? But remember say Sound Clash are from dancehall thing, you know, Red Bull influenced by it, so that's why them start do it. You understand? That's why Red Bull start do it. So at the end of the day, I still Jamaica, I still dancehall, I want dancehall. You understand? So if Busy do a dub, if Mavado do a dub, or whatever Mavado do, you understand? It's still Jamaica, it still represent Jamaica. You see me? It'll be like when you're in a Jamaica and Sound Clash are going and you have bass of this, you know it's sound them in a Jamaica, bass of this, Stone Love, and them they in a Jamaica and them have a Sound Clash. Them are gonna have different artists. Two of them are maybe all same artists. We do dub for two of them. This one are the same thing over there. So You understand? It's just that they have like Africa, but anyway, you take it as same Jamaican thing because the whole of them are play Jamaican song. The whole of them are use Jamaican dub. You understand? So one Jamaica, one dancehall. You understand? So Spicy should I appreciate rather than forwarding out and I say, yo, nobody can get you with no type of money for sell out culture and rare, which you would do that. You understand? You would do it yourself, so you can't come beat nobody. You understand? Yeah man, you can't come beat nobody. But right now it seems like you make it look like say you not win. And that me see, cause rather than celebrating it and you fought on the media, you understand? Me see you play a couple dub and every little thing, but saying these things like you just not feel comfortable in yourself, which now make no sense. You win already, you should just move on from that and just say, yo, Ray, or you say, yo, you will represent Jamaica, win than the other artists them ever do dub or run on. You understand? Them lose. Yeah, I understand with that, but you ever say, yo, you're not take the money and that not make no sense. You understand? And you just know if I address certain little things, you see me. But people, you see me, that might take on the situation, you see me. Spice a good artist, you see me. Dancehall queen, can't take that from her and thing, you know. Yeah man, she do her thing in the game man and thing. Represent dancehall out in the world and Jamaica, you see me. But that's one of them things, you see me. But people, you don't know in a media facts, like, share and subscribe, you know. That is it.